Thanks for joining us. Yeah, my name is Abedun James. This is Silifan. This is Silifan. ORL Mega 62. ORL Mega 62. This is original Silifan. Original Silifan. It can be used in residential apartments, church, mosque. You can contact us on 08063098718. It's have long coil and then this is short coil. You can see this has been used 15 years ago. 15 years ago. You can see this is also mega 62, but it is short coil. This is long coil. Now the price is 26,000 naira now. 26,000 naira. Here is the blade. Here is the blade, and then here is the pipe. You can see, and then we update you. We update you as soon as we start the fixing. But now uh want to fix the blade. Want to fix the blade. It's what you can fix by yourself. Sit by yourself. All what you need to do, you lose the nuts. You lose the nuts. Yeah, you lose the nuts. When you lose the nuts, you put the blade. You pull the blade. Yeah, you pull the blade. You put the blade. Mhm. Thank you. Then you use the screwdriver. You use screwdriver to tighten it. Yeah, to tighten it. This is the first one. The second one. The second one going to oh yeah, this is nice. So I'm done with that one. So you have to be very careful with the blade in order not to bend. You have to be very careful with the blade in order not to be very careful with the blade. Mm-mm. This is the second blade. So this is the third blade. This is how to fix Celifar. First way you fix the blade, fix the blade, let it to be tight. All right. Thank you.